Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. We are continuing with the 5.2 view. You can do this on your end. Let me check in WhatsApp or whatever, and then if I don't think I will have time to make all the videos for those, it's the same style. Just open up the brackets, find the solution from both sides, and then blah 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 blah. Now this one, same thing again. You have two different equations, so write it separately. 2y and 3y minus 6y. Whatever unknown you're given, just use that. The unknowns on one side, numbers on the other side. 2y plus 4y, 6y. And then you don't need that 6, so you divide it here. 5 over 6, if it can be calculated, just write that, but there is an ugly answer, so you just put it there. That's the answer. Now how about here? Unknowns on one side, numbers on the other side, so 3y minus 6y. Positive 6 there now, negative 3y. Why do I change sign? Because this negative 3 is multiplied here. You're going to the other side, it will be divided. And when you divide, you change the sign because it's a negative number. Here, I did not have to because this was a positive number. If a positive number goes to the other side, division or multiplying, then you don't have to change the sign. But if it's a negative number going to the other side, it's dividing or multiplying, then you change the sign. Then 6 over 3, negative 2. Finding the two answers, you draw the number line, 0 in the middle, negative 2 here, 5 over 6 here. It's getting smaller than negative 2, so you write that way. It's getting smaller than 5 over 6. Draw a little nicer. No need using ruler because drawing don't usually have mark. And then you can draw both of them, shade both of them, negative 2 here. And then 5 over 6 here. And then now the question is and means and they met and they meet. Where do both of them meet? They start meeting at this negative 2 point. So your answer is less than negative 2. Right? That's just your answer. This is most probably an MC question, or else if it's a long question they will have A and B. So you should know how to do it. Negative 2. Okay, good, easy. And means and they met. They start meeting at this point. Okay, that's good then. Practice. Okay, this one 5.3. I'm just doing this within this video. It's okay, you can do. And then which of these are true? So many numbers. We just know that j is larger than k. It can be anything. And then j square and the k square. No matter it's negative or positive. After squaring, it becomes positive. But let's check. If I make j as 2 and k as negative 2. Can I do this first one now? J square. Click calculator. 2 square will be option 1 first. 2 square is 4. Negative 2 square is also 4. Remember to put a bracket. Now, does that mean this will be larger than this then? No, it could be equal. It could be larger, but it could be equal as well. So this is not a must to be correct. Okay, how about cube? Let's try. 2 cube is 8. Negative 2 cube is negative 8. So is 8 bigger than negative 8? Yes, that's true because the negative signs won't be disappeared. You can try positive numbers as well. 3, okay, let's say 5 and 3. You can do that. 5 cube is 125. 3 cube is 27. It's also bigger. So this is always correct. How about this one? 1 over j, and this is larger than 1 over k. Let's check. Okay, let's do a positive number this time. 1 over 5 again. Option 3. If j is 5 and k is 3. 1 over 5 is 0.2. 1 over 3 is 0.33 something. So is this 1 over 5 bigger than 1 over 3? So is 1 over j bigger than 1 over k? Not a must. Okay, not a must. Alright, that's how you will do it. Give some numbers and see if it's correct or not. Don't just give one set. If I do this set, then option 3 could be correct because this is positive, this is negative. So that's why I'm also using a positive number. Their question did not mention if they are positive, so you do both cases. always use 5, 3, 2, -2. This will be working. All right, good. Can we try next one? This. Hopefully somewhere it's correct. Maybe none of these are correct. It is possible. It is usually possible actually. All right, now here m is bigger than n. Let's try 5 and 3 again. M square plus n square is 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. This sounds like correct. But what if I try 2 and -2? 2 square is 4, -2 square is also 4. This could have been equal sign. This is wrong. How about cube? 2 cube is 8, -2 cube is -8. So the first one should have been larger, not smaller. How about the last one? 1 over 5 is 0.2, 1 over 3 is 0.33, but how about 1 over 2 is 0.5, 1 over -2 is -0.5. So is it true that this is always smaller? No, because if I'm using this case, then this is not smaller. So none of the above. Maybe it's the option D, none of the above. Okay, it is possible, of course. Next, same case. Will this be say correct? No, because if I'm using 2 and -2, this will have been equal sign. How about cube? Maybe. Let's try it again. 2 cube is 8, -2 cube is -8. So is this true? No, no. How about the third option? 1 over 5 is 0.2, 1 over 3 is 0.33. Is it a must that this is true? No, because this is smaller. So again, none of the above. All right, this could be your questions. And then practice 6 is in percentages. I will do it later. So these two very special ones, I'll say practice, practice, practice. Till then, see you next video. Allah Hafiz.